Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Will here. Video lesson for Tuesday, May 26, 2020 for the group Denominators. Hope you had a nice and meaningful Memorial Day weekend, that you were able to get outside, perhaps be with family, maybe some friends, and we're back at it. So we have just 4 days this week and 4 days next week. We are coming down the home stretch. So I don't know if you were like me and you might be in need of a little pep talk. We can do it. I thank you in advance for your hard work and your focus these last couple of classes. Let's make sure that we are watching the video lessons, that we're completing our daily assignments. This Friday, you have a problem of the week due. It's your last problem of the week of the year. This Friday, you have a couple IXL lessons due at the end of the day. These are your last IXL lessons for the entire school year. So let's work hard, let's focus, and let's do our very best. All right, let's get to it. So today and this week, we're going to be focusing on exponents and exponent properties. We're going to start today by looking at exponents when we multiply. Thursday, we'll look at exponents when we divide, and then we'll do a little mashup on the last day on Friday. So there are some rules, or in math we call them properties, that you need to know. So I put a key concept for your notebook, whatever that looks like now that we're at working from home. But we are going to be working with exponents here. So I have a couple of examples that I would like to work through. So the first one is if I have 7 to the power of 3 times 7 to the power of 5. Now, when we have exponents like that, what we do in order to simplify these is we would just add them, okay? So we would take 3 plus 5, and that's going to give us 7 to the power of 8. How about that? That's the first step that we are going to be talking about. All right, let's check out the next one. The next one is 9 times 9 to the power of 8 times 9 to the power of 2. Now, when we have exponents like this, this 9, it acts actually like 9 to the power of 1. Okay, now it's 9 to the power of 1 is 9, so it's the same thing. But what we would do is we can kind of denote this with a little exponent of 1. So that when we add these all up, just like the one in our previous problem, 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 1 would be, that's right, 9 to the power of 11. Okay, excellent. Now the last one is when we deal with negatives. Okay, still multiplying. I have negative 5. We could throw some parentheses around here. Times negative 5 to the power of 6. Okay, now similar to what we just did, okay, when we have negatives, this negative 5, we would think about it like having an exponent of 1. Again, negative 5 to the power of 1 is the same as negative 5. Okay, we're not changing the value. We're just expressing it a little bit different. So we have that 1 there. So what that means is we're back to adding it. Okay, so we have negative 5. It would be 1 plus 6. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay, so it would be negative 5 to the power of 7. My pen doesn't stick. Excellent. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we need to think about these if we're trying to multiply them. Think of them as 1. Okay, the last one is we could do the same thing with variables. So if I have x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 3, okay, what do you think we would do here? Yes, just like in our very first problem, we would add 4 plus 3, and that's going to give us x to the power of 7. Okay? Now, today I have attached some work where you are going to be applying these exponent properties involving products, okay, when we use multiplication. So use these properties that we talked about, these examples, and I would like you to do numbers 1 through 16 on the worksheet that I gave you. Remember, I am here to help you through. If you have any questions, please ask. Work hard, ask questions, and I'll see you back on Thursday. Thanks so much.